If you're tired of rackets, either give you power but feel slow at net, or feel quick but lack that smash authority, if you're stuck in that middle ground where nothing quite works for your aggressive game, this video is specially for you. Hey everyone, Nila here from thegodofsports.com. I've been playing competitive badminton for more than 10 years now, and my game style has always been aggressive, big smashes from the back, and kill shots at the net. I've tested over 100 plus rackets, and after all that testing, the one racket which consistently outperformed every other racket is the Max Bolt Superstar 11 badminton racket. Here's what I was dealing with. Most power rackets feel too heavy during fast net exchanges in doubles. I'd win points on smashes but lose them because I couldn't react quickly at the net. Control rackets felt great up close, but when I needed a big smash to finish a rally, they just didn't have that punch and power, I needed one racket that could handle everything that my aggressive game demanded. I tried Matchbolt Superstar 11. The first thing I noticed was the balance point. 83 grams, but with that 295 head heavy feel. The connection felt pretty strong, and even the feel of the racket on the hand was amazing. One of the most impressive things about this racket is its stringing capacity. It holds up to 45 lbs tension, which is pretty amazing and is also a testimony about the strength and durability of this racket. So before we dive into the court performance, if you're serious about finding the right racket for your game, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. I test new rackets weekly and help players like you find exactly what works. So coming to its performance, in fast rallies, this 83 gram weight gives you lightning, quick flick kills and net interceptions. What surprised me most was the forgiveness. The isometric head with 76 grommet hole turns defensive blocks into attacking opportunities. Even off-center hits feels solid sometimes. When you're driving the rally from the mid-court, that head-heavy 295 balance generates steep, penetrating smashes with flatter trajectories than even balanced rackets. Intermediate players like me finally get that pro-level smash power we see on television, but with control we can actually handle. In terms of comfort, it's where the racket really impressed me. I play 2+ hours, 4 sessions a week. The flexible graphite shaft absorbs vibration so effectively that I have had zero wrist strain. Players coming up from beginner rackets will love this. It's the bridge racket that doesn't punish you as you improve. In terms of defense, even on defensive lifts and high clears, the repulsion feels adequate for doubles pace. The expanded sweet spot from the 76 grommet system maintains consistency even under pressure. Pure control players might want more handle heavy balance, but for attack-minded doubles, it's just perfect. So why does this combination work so well? First, 83 grams in the 4U category gives you that maneuverability without sacrificing power. The 295 head heavy balance explains those flatter smashes. 43-pound maximum tension capacity that's higher than most competitors in this price range lets you dial in exactly the power control mix you need. And those 76 grommet holes create a larger sweet spot you'll find. Now, let's compare this racket directly to other options which players might consider. The first one's Yonex Astrox 99 Game 3rd Gen, which has a similar weight and balance, but in terms of raw power with stability, I would have to give the edge to Max Bolt Superstar 11. Then we have the leaning Axe Force Cannon, which is slightly lighter but extra stiff. Comparing with Max Bolt's own Gallant Tour, the Superstar 11 is even balanced, which sacrifices the smash authority aggressive players need, but it's more towards an all-round kind of a racket. This racket is perfect if you are an intermediate aggressive player, especially for players who want more power. Coming to the string recommendations, ideal string tension which I would recommend would be 28 lbs. If you are playing 3-4 times a week and want something that grows with your game, this is it. You can find the Matchbolt Superstar 11 at thegodofsports.com. The link is in the description. I would recommend stringing this racket at 28 lbs with BG65 if you need a more durable string, BG80 or Xbolt 63 if you need more power, and Nano G95 or Xbolt 65 if you need more control in your game. Also, drop in your queries in case you want me to help you find the perfect racket for you. Drop a comment with your playing style or current struggles. I'll definitely help you find the perfect racket.